Safety is consistently a focus on work sites with heavy equipment. According to a study by the National Institute of Health, on average, injury rates in construction are 71% higher than injury rates across all other industries. The total annual cost of all construction injuries in the United States is more than $11.5 billion. Like you, Caterpillar wants to do everything possible to get every worker home safely every day. CAT Safety Upgrades can help you do just that. Let's take a look at how CAT Safety products and solutions can help you work safely on every job. Two safety technologies that quickly and easily upgrade any machine is the CAT Vision System and the Seatbelt Reminder. CAT Vision System is a rugged system designed for job site conditions. The system includes up to 4 externally mounted closed-circuit cameras that provide a live feed to the in-cab display. The CAT Seatbelt Reminder reminds operators to buckle up through both audible and visual reminders when the seatbelt has not been latched. Blind spots or lack of visibility often contribute to job site accidents. The increased visibility you gain from the CAT Vision System will increase safe operation, reduce the need for spotters, lowering risk and labor costs, and boost operator confidence and productivity. The Seatbelt Reminder increases operators' safety awareness. It's a fast, affordable safety solution because it increases safety for operators and machines. It can reduce penalties and fees for seatbelt violations. Both the CAT Vision System and the Seatbelt Reminder can be retrofitted onto machines from any manufacturer, so you can affordably upgrade the safety and productivity of all your machines. You can work with your CAT dealer to install the CAT Vision System. CAT Vision System installation kits are flexible, so it's easy to customize the system to your specific applications. Using existing seatbelt mount locations, the Seatbelt Reminder system can be installed in less than 2 hours. CAT Safety products and solutions are an affordable way to upgrade your machines, increase safe operation and operator productivity, while reducing accidents and related costs. It's a great return on your investment. Talk to your dealer about upgrading your fleet's safety and productivity today.